Suitcase? Why are you sitting here all by yourself?
Well, sometimes it's good to be alone for a little while. At least, I think so.
Listen, when we suggested that you steal the battery and everything, I didn't want to make you uncomfortable. It's just...
I've never been under pressure like that before. Stressed that any second someone was going to jump out and scream in my face. What are you doing? Who do you think you are? You're going to get nothing but what you deserve. Death. Let death be your punishment. Yeah.
I know Nickel comes off as strong sometimes, but it's just that he expects a lot out of us. He believes in us. Alliance to the end, right?
Yeah, you bet.
All right. Good talk.
Good talk, yeah.
Wow, this hotel has everything. Indoor pool, full day spa.
Now don't get used to it. It's only for one night.
The new Sumo Slammer video game's in there!
Yes?
Must have left it inside. I'm one of the game pros testing out the system.
VIPs only. I know what you're thinking, so no sneaking back in there.
I won't.
But he will.
The ultimate sneak peek for the ghost with the most freak.
Ben?
Yes! New high score!
What do you got to say for yourself, kid?
Game over?
And never come back! I told you not to sneak in there.
Well, if you want to get all technical about it.
I never even got a chance to take a shower. In a real shower for the first time all summer. Plus, they had a spa. A spa! Nice going, doofus.
How do you expect me to trust you if you keep misusing the watch?
Excuse me, I've used it 100 times for good. Why can't I use it just once for me?
It's not how many times you use it, Ben. It's how you use it.
It was no big deal.
To you. And that's all you care about. So, no more Sumo Slammer stuff for 2 weeks. No comics, no trading cards, no...
Fair.
Neither is getting booted from a 4-star hotel I already paid for.
Fine, take it out of my allowance.
You don't get an allowance.
Stay out of this.
This is my vacation too. You can't always tell me what to do. You're not my dad.
Well, if I was, Look, I'm going back to the hotel and see if I can get at least some of my money back. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Don't hurry.
He'll be fine.
Not fair. Not fair. Totally not fair.
Glad to see you're handling things so maturely. Where do you think you're going?
Where does it look like? Out.
Get back here!
Sorry, I don't speak dweeb.
You're going to be so grounded.